Welcome to the Sippighat Wetland, Sri Vijayapuram. Sippighat Wetland, located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is a hidden gem of nature's beauty and ecological richness. Nestled in the southern part of South Andaman, this wetland is a vital ecosystem that showcases the unique biodiversity of this region. The area provides a safe haven for a variety of birds, especially during the migratory season when the skies are filled with winged travelers. Beyond its ecological significance, Sippighat Wetland plays a crucial role in the conservation of the Andaman Islands' fragile ecosystem. Visiting Sippighat Wetland is an immersive experience. It is a reminder of the delicate balance between human progress and nature's preservation, making Sippighat Wetland a truly invaluable treasure of the Andaman Islands.